Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everyone. The Honorable Mrs. Nikmatuniaya as a lecturer in research methodology. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Sri Martini from Accounting A. Let me tell you about my final project. The title is Calculation of Cost of Production using the Cost of Process method at Jenang Mutarom. Table of content in this presentation are the first, background, the second, problem definition, the third, research objective, the fourth, research benefit, the fifth, literature review, and the last, methodology. First, background. In today's modern and sophisticated era, companies must pay attention to accurate production cost calculation to face tight market competition. The selling price determined based on the production cost affects the company's competitiveness, both in attracting customer and creating product exclusivity. Mistakes in calculating the production cost can result in the uncompetitive selling price, which has negative impact on the company's profit. Jenang Mutarom, a typical product of Jati Jajar Kebumen, made from sticky rice flour. However, the production cost calculation method used still simple and does not include all cost elements. This causes the calculation of production cost to be inaccurate. Therefore, research was conducted to apply cash cost method so that companies can manage costs more precisely and competitively in the market. Next, problem definition. There are 2 points of problem definition. The first point is how to calculate the cost of production using the process cost method for Jenang Mutarom in January 2025. The second point, what is the difference between the calculation of the cost of production applied by Jenang Mutarom and the calculation using the process cost method in January 2025. We move to research objective. There are 2 points of research objective. The first point is find out the calculation of the cost of production using the process cost method at Jenang Mutarom in January 2025. The second point, to find out the differences between the calculation of the cost of production applied by Jenang Mutarom and calculation using the process cost method in January 2025. Next, research benefit. There are 3 benefits of research. The first is, it is hoped that it can increase student knowledge and insight regarding the application of calculating the cost price of a product using the process cost method. The second, it's hoped that it can become a reference for companies regarding determining the cost price of a product using the process cost method, so that it can be used as a basis for determining the selling price of a product. And the last can be used as additional information and reading difference in preparing the final assignment, especially for students majoring in accounting. Next, we move to literature review. So, first, what is the definition of cost? Cost is a sacrifice of economic resources measured in unit of money to obtain goods or services that are expected to provide profits or benefits now or in the future. Del Jono 2015, page 13. Next, cost classification. According to Subiono 2011, page 11, costs are classified into 6. There are the first, in accordance with the main function of the activity. The second, in accordance with the accounting period in which costs will be charged. The third, according to the tendency of change in activities or volume. Fourth, in accordance with the objective or cost center being financed. Fifth, for cost control purposes. And the last, in accordance with the objectives and decision making. Next, cost accounting. Mulyadi 2018, page 7, states that cost accounting is the process of recording, classifying, summarizing, and presenting costs, making and selling products or services in certain ways and interpreting them. The object of cost accounting activities is cost. Next, cost production. The definition of cost of production according to Subiono 2011, page 16, is an amount that can be calculated in units of money in the form of cash paid, the value of other assets handed over, debit incurred, or additional capital in order to own goods and services required by the company in the past and in the future. Next, benefit of cost of production. According to Mulyadi 2015, page 65, in companies with general production, information on the cost of production calculated for a certain period of time is useful for management to: the first, determine the selling price of the product; the second, monitor the realization of production costs; the third, calculate periodic profit or cost; and the last, determine the cost of inventory of finished product and products in the process, which are presented in the balance sheet. Next, method of collecting cost of production. According to Hernando 2017, page 42, the collection of basic production costs can be grouped into two. There are job order cost method and process cost method. Next, method for determining production cost. According to Mulyadi 2018, page 17, there are two approaches to calculating cost element into production cost. There are full costing and variable costing. Next, cost accounting system. There are two cost accounting systems. The first, actual cost system, and the second, standard cost system. Difference between the order costing method and the process costing method. The first, basic activities. In job order method, two subscription orders, while in the process cost method, two production budget. Second, production goals. In job order method, two serve order. In the process cost method, for inventory to be sold. Third, product form. In job order method, depends on order specification and can be separated by identity, while in the process cost method, homogeneous and standards. Fourth, production cost collection. In job order method, every order, while in the process method, every unit of time. Fifth, when are production cost calculated? When the order is complete, and while in the process cost method, at the end of a period or unit of time. Sixth, calculating cost. In the job order method, the specific cost price of an order divided by the number of production ordered in question. While in the process cost method, the cost prices for a certain period divided by the number of products for a certain period. At the last company example, in job order method such as printer, contractor, and accounting firms, while in process cost method such as cement, paper, textile, drinking water, and transportation. Okay, let me move to methodology. The first is type of data. There are two types of data. The first is type of data by nature, and the second is type of data by source. Type of data by nature. The first is qualitative data, and the second is quantitative data. Qualitative data contains sentences that describe something, includes history, organizational structure, vision and mission, that is an authority of each section, as well as the production process. While quantitative data is an approach that emphasizes analysis on numerical data or numbers processes using statistical method. Includes production data such as material cost, labor, factory overhead, and fixed asset data, as well as calculation of the cost of production according to the company and the process. The second is type of data by source. The first is primary data and the second is secondary data. Primary data obtained from respondents through questionnaires, focus group and panel, or also data from resources, interviews with resource. The data obtained must be processed again. And secondary data is data obtained from notes and book in the form of company published financial report, article, books as theory, and so on. Next, we move to data collection method. There are three data collection methods. The first is interview, the second is documentation, and the last is literature study. The first is interview. This is by conducting an interview process with the company owner to obtain information regarding the journal description, production data, material cost, labor cost, and factory overhead and fixed asset data, as well as calculating the cost of production. Next, documentation. When conducting interviews, researchers immortalize them by providing documentation that is used to inform that the research was indeed carried out. The last literature study. According to Sugiono, 2019, literature study related to the theoretical study and other references related to the understanding, the object being studied, the values, culture, and norms that develop in the social situation being studied. This method is carried out by studying literature related to the cost accounting and material related to the cost of production. Next, writing method. There are two writing methods. The first is description method and the second is exposition method. Description method. This writing method is used to describe the general description of the company, the history of the company's founding, the company's organizational structure, and the policy for determining the cost of production. Exposition method. The writing of this research uses the exposition method to explain the comparison of the result of the calculation of the cost of production according to company with the calculation of the cost of production based on the cost of the process. Next, data analysis method. The first, calculation of the cost of production using the process cost method include A. Analyze and classify production costs as raw material cost, labor, and factory overhead. B. Calculate the total production cost used for each production process. And last, calculate the cost per unit by dividing the total production cost incurred during a certain period by the total units of production produced in a certain period. The second is calculate the differences between the company's cost of production and the cost of production using the process cost method. Next, research schedule. Title submission in 1 week. Writing chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3 in 1 week. Consultation and revision of chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3 in 3 weeks. Interview and data collection in 2 weeks. Data analysis and processing in 2 weeks. Writing chapter 4 in 1 week. Consultation and revision of chapter 4 in 2 weeks. Writing chapter 5 in 1 week. Consultation and revision of chapter 5 in 2 weeks. And draft chapter 1 to chapter 5 in 2 weeks. Finally, print final assignment in 1 week. That is all my presentation. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.